Today I'm using FAMWOOD GLAZECOAT resin. You can get it at Home Depot or Lowe's. It's also in my Amazon link. It's a 1-to-1 ratio, part A to B, exact amounts. Put it into a cup, clean cup that will accommodate all the resin in one cup with a little extra room for mixing. I'm going to mix about 10 ounces for this project. I'm doing a geode. I'm going to use unicorn spit white, and they've got a new line that they're testing. It's Artemis platinum and Patina bronze, which is the greenish color, and the metallic turquoise, which is Atlantis. I've got some silver glitter and some iridescent glitter, which actually has a little bit of a rosy tint, which I didn't realize until afterwards. And this is crushed sea glass looking pieces with almost like a mirror type reflective piece in it as well. So here you put part A and B together and you mix for 6 minutes, and you mix, continually scrape the sides and the stick, and then after the first 6 minutes you transfer to a clean cup and you mix again for another 6 minutes. This is the only resin that I know of that you have to mix for this long. Other resins I don't typically mix as long, but it specifically states to do it for 6 minutes for both times. I use safety precautions with gloves and a mask just to be on the safe side. I'm going to add some resin into the glass pieces. All the cups are about 3 ounces, and you go ahead and you split your resin up into the smaller cups so that your resin is workable, and it's better not to leave it in a large cup sitting for too long. So I've got roughly about 2 ounces in each cup, and that makes up about 10 ounces. So mixing in real good with the glass, and I'm putting the platinum silver into that cup, the white Ning unicorn spit in there, and I'm adding the turquoise and the greenish color together with a little bit of white to lighten it, to give it a soft sea glass look color. Here I'm spreading the glass pieces around the edge and in the center. And I put the green mixture down and the platinum silver, and here I just kind of intermingled the white here and there. And then I'm going to use the heat gun just to kind of mix it in a bit, and it helps, pop any air bubbles. I mixed a little bit more white into the green to lighten it just a bit. Add some more in. Add the silver glitter there on the surface, and then use the heat just to kind of intermingle it there. And the iridescent glitter, I just kind of go around in spirals. Heat it again. Here I just use a skewer just to play with the design a little bit. It didn't really affect it on the other side, but it showed up a little bit on this side. You never know what you're going to get on the other side. It's like a box of chocolates. And that's just the leftover iridescent glitter. And here I just heat it with the heat torch to remove any air bubbles, but do not overheat or get too close to your project. You don't want to mess your mold up by any chance. Then I add a few little shallow cups and my canvas on top to cover it up to keep any fur, dust, hair, particles from falling into the resin as it cures. Here it is the next day. It's been about 12 to 24 hours, and this is the fun part, getting to kind of see what the surprise is on the other side. This mold is also in my Amazon link. There's, as most of the products I use are. So there it is on the one side, and there it is on the underside, which I really like the looks of it. Has a very sea glass feeling color and a lot of sparkle and shimmer. It's really, really pretty. And it's about a 1/2 inch thick, I would say. So you get to see all the shimmer and sparkles. So I'm really pleased with it. I'd also like to give a shout out to Janet in Colorado for her donation this past week or so. I appreciate it. Every little bit helps. I like to bring you more and more videos of beautiful art. And here is the finished piece outside, and there you can really see how much it really does kind of feel like the sea glass look. And I turn it over, and there it is on the underside, which is always my favorite part, with all the sparkles, with the glass and the glitter and the pretty colors. So I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, please come back and check out my channel again. Please subscribe.